This is the all-new Ford F-150, a pickup truck for those in search of a truck that is spacious, comfortable, capable, and packed to the brim with cool technology. Here's a sneak peek of what you can expect. Let's start this review with a short history lesson, because the Ford F-150 isn't just any pickup truck. It is a pickup truck that comes with decades of history and heritage attached to it. Introduced in 1948, the F-150 is 73 years old, and over the course of its life, it has become America's best-selling vehicle and Ford's best-selling model, meaning Ford has definitely created and nailed the recipe to success. This all-new 14th generation model turns over a new leaf for the brand, as it is the first time the F-150 is available with a hybrid powertrain. The 3.5-litre V6 PowerBoost that is powering our test car puts out 430 horsepower and 772 Newton meters of torque, which is nearly as much as the outgoing Raptor, meaning it is fast and that it can tow up to a whopping 5,760 kilograms. What's worth noting about the hybrid system is that it adds 44 horsepower and that it doesn't require any special fuel or anything like that. You simply fill it up at the petrol station, just like you would with any other pickup truck, and drive. The only difference is that you'll notice just how quiet and fuel efficient it is, with Ford claiming up to 1,125 kilometers on a single tank of petrol. Having said that, don't be fooled into thinking that the hybrid F-150 is a boring cruiser. When you put your foot down, it will push all its power through a 10-speed automatic transmission and hit 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.6 seconds. There are multiple drive modes to choose from, including a sport mode, and since it is a Ford, the suspension has been tuned brilliantly, meaning it's comfortable yet stiff enough to be sporty at the same time. On the inside, Ford has truly pushed the bar in terms of design and quality. It's a lot more modern, with two large 12-inch screens, one for the instrument cluster and one for the infotainment screen. And there's a lot of leather, wood, Alcantara and metal trims running all across the cabin. Being a large pickup truck, storage space is virtually endless. There's two glove boxes, a huge center console storage box, and even more storage options in the door panels. But what makes the cabin truly unique are the folding gear lever and seats that go completely flat, making them ideal to sleep in if you get to your campsite late at night or are simply too lazy to pitch your tent up. Space in the back is absolutely massive, with even more headroom and legroom than many large SUVs can offer. It is worth mentioning that the seats are heated and with plenty of charging options: a 12-volt outlet, a USB Type-A outlet, a USB Type-C outlet, and a 230-volt outlet. Not only can you charge all of your devices, but possibly even your neighbor's devices at the same time. When it comes to features, this is the Platinum trim, and it has everything that you would ever want or need. On the safety side of things, there's adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision avoidance, rear cross traffic alert, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking. On the comfort side, there's a huge panoramic roof, a dual-zone climate control system, and the option to adjust how close or far back the accelerator and brake pedals sit, in addition to seats that are heated, cooled, and massaged. Finally, on the entertainment side, there's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity and a banging Bang & Olufsen sound system with 18 speakers, including speakers in the headrest. However, there are a lot more cool features, so let us jump out and go through those. Now, I know this truck looks very similar to the outgoing model, but let me be clear, it is not a facelift. It is an all-new model, and it has a new grille and headlights amongst a few other changes to show for it. Being an American pickup truck, there is a lot of chrome along the bodywork and huge 20-inch alloy wheels, but let's keep all of that aside and jump into those cool features that I mentioned earlier on. Cool feature number one, the generator. In the bed of the all-new F-150 sits an inbuilt generator that provides up to 2,000 watts of power. That is enough power to run a fridge, a TV, and a gaming console all at the same time right from the back of your truck. Are you thinking of a cool camp setup? Because I sure am. Cool feature number 2. The tailgate work surface. It has inbuilt C-clamp holders that you can use to hold and cut wood. It has inbuilt pen, pencil and screw holders and an inbuilt ruler, making it the ideal companion at a work site. Cool feature number 3, the inbuilt bottle opener. We've all been there. We've got our camp set up, the party going on, but we can't seem to find the bottle opener. That is no longer an issue since Ford has you covered with not 1 but 2 inbuilt bottle openers integrated into the tailgate. Cool feature number 4, zone lighting. All around the new F-150, in the front, back and the sides are integrated lights that can be controlled from the infotainment screen. Think about when you reach a campsite late at night or when you want to pack your campsite away in the dark. Now you no longer need to struggle and fumble with a flashlight or your mobile phone torch, since the F-150 can light up its surrounding area extremely well. And finally, cool feature number 5, the electronically opening and closing tailgate. Now you no longer need to be a gym buff to open or close it because it closes electronically. When General Motors and Ram introduced their new trucks in 2019, Ford was lagging behind. Today, that simply isn't the case, as the new F-150 has revolutionized the luxury pickup segment. More importantly, with 5 trim options, 4 engine options, 3 cab options, and 2 box options, there's definitely an F-150 for everyone. Thanks for watching, and do let me know what you think of the new F-150 in the comments down below.